Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, this week's been kind of a hectic week this week, so I wanted something simple, but I wanted something to be filling. And I wanted some tomato sauce. So I kind of put that all together into an idea. I call it my tomato cheeseburger skillet recipe. Has a little bit of everything in there. Beef, for some protein, pasta, fills you up, and of course the tomato sauce. You want to see how to make my tomato cheeseburger skillet recipe? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.